When Kantara released in 2022, nobody expected it to explode the way it did. A small Kannada film made for around 15 crores went on to earn more than 400 crores worldwide. It became the second biggest Kannada grosser after KGF 2. But what made Kantara iconic wasn't just its box office success, it was how it captured the soul of Karnataka's coastal traditions. From Bhuta Kola rituals to Yakshagan performances, blending folklore with raw act. So obviously, when Rishabh Shetty announced a prequel, the expectation that I had was really, really high. Kantara Chapter 1 is set around 4th to 5th century in the Kadam dynasty. Every character looked as part of the universe that was created. क्योंकि ये universe इतना ज़्यादा पुराना है कि इसका ना कोई photographs है ना कोई. So everything that they created was from imagination, books, and literature from that time. Kantara Chapter 1 already made headlines before even the release of the film. कल ही release हुई है और headlines में भी आ गई है. Because the budget of this film, guess करो कितना होगा? 125 करोड़ में बनी है कांतारा चैप्टर 1. ऐसा लगता है हर एक पैसा वसूल करके छोड़ा है उन्होंने. इस तरीके की यूनिवर्स क्रिएट किया गया है कि यू जस्ट बिलीव दैट दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंड. और इस चीज में भी एक अनोखा मजा है कि एक ऋषभ शेट्टी जैसा लड़का फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल टाउन गोज ऑन टू मेक अ फिल्म फ्रॉम हिज ओन लैंड अबाउट हिज ओन पीपल, अबाउट हिज ओन ट्रेडिशंस, एंड द वर्ल्ड नील्स डाउन एंड एक्सेप्ट्स द फिल्म. फिल्म रिलीज हुई है लगभग 8 लैंग्वेजेस में. 2 अक्टूबर को रिलीज हुई है. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द फिल्म इटसेल्फ. व्हाट ऋषभ शेट्टी हैज मैनेज्ड हियर इज बोथ कंटिन्यूटी एंड रीइन्वेंशन. मतलब पिछला वाला जो कांतारा था उसमें से काफी एलिमेंट्स, जैसे कि वो उनका खुद का डबल रोल. तो भूता कोला रिचुअल was started by the character of Shiva in Kantara, जो कि कांतारा चैप्टर 1 में मेन कैरेक्टर बने. Visually the film looks stunning. Arvind S. Kashyap's cinematography once again captures nature as a character, forests that feel alive. So each frame felt like a study in cinematography itself because there were so many natural sources of lights used in the film. अपने बारे में ये भी बता दूं कि I am a cinematography nerd. When I see good cinematography, my heart just melts and I just keep watching the film for the good cinematography. That's partly the reason why I watch so many films in the theaters. क्योंकि यार क्यों नहीं देखूं यार, cinematography उधर ही तो समझ में आती है बड़े पर्दे पर. The sound design by Ajneesh Loknath is another beautiful element of the film. जिस तरीके से म्यूजिक और साउंड डिजाइन को मिक्स किया गया है और एक एटमॉस्फेयर बनाया गया है कदम्ब डायनेस्टी का. He uses folk instruments, tribal chants, the Karnataka inspired tones to build an atmosphere that feels sacred and threatening at the same time. If Kantara's climax gave you goosebumps, this film, Kantara Chapter 1, is going to double down. Like in the end, by the climax, I was sitting like this. I felt like it was really God in front of me. I was literally sitting with my eyes wide open, mouth open, and like this. It's literally God that I'm watching on screen. One sequence that's already been talked about is the carriage sequence, जिसमें वो सारे जो राजकुमारी और उनके सिपाही हैं वो सब चेज कर रहे हैं कांतारा के लोगों को, जो कि कैरेज पे बैठ के भाग रहे हैं. That once just blew my mind. मतलब वो जब गिरने वाले थे, I felt like मैं गिरने वाली हूँ. Rishabh Shetty as Bearme suited so well to the world. I'm just wondering how did he direct this and act in it. Like it must have been so difficult to make a film at such a scale and direct it, also act in it. He doesn't just play the character, he seems to channel an entire spirit within himself. जैसे उन्होंने कांतारा में किया था, वैसे ही कांतारा चैप्टर 1 में ऐसा लगता है कि उनमें सच में देव आ चुके हैं. Talking about the themes in the film, just like the first Kantara, this film too is about land, faith, and power. But instead of modern land disputes, this one takes us to the root, how myth, kingship, belief systems shaped the society we later saw in Kantara. ये दिखाया गया कांतारा चैप्टर 1 में. The stunts are brutal, practical, and grounded. Many of them were shot live. They were not CGI. इसलिए ऋषभ शेट्टी ने ये भी कहा है कि 3-4 बार तो ऐसा लगा सेट पे कि I'll die. And here is where it works brilliantly. Kantara Chapter 1 doesn't just tell you a story. It makes you feel that you're watching history and folklore merge together and form a beautiful piece of cinema. But coming to the weaknesses of the film, some early reviews say that hype is bigger than the content. The film sometimes leans too heavy into the spectacle without deepening characters as much as it could. And yes, if you are not familiar with the cultural background, some sequences may feel alienating. But honestly, that's also the film's charm. It doesn't dilute itself to spoon feed outsiders. And I really like that quality. Overall, Kantara Chapter 1 is not just a prequel, it's a companion piece. If Kantara was a body, this film is the soul. It's a reminder that cinema can still be a communal ritual where sound, image, and belief collide. So if you are watching it on Saturday or Sunday, brace yourself. This isn't just a film you watch, it's a film you surrender to. Have you watched the film? And most importantly, between Kantara and Kantara Chapter 1, which one do you like more? I mean, for me, I can't decide. Both of them are so unique and beautiful. I can't decide. But what about you? And if you love anything about cinema, you must subscribe to my channel right now, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.